Hello everyone, JM here once again, and welcome back to another episode of Excel in 60 seconds. In today's session, I'll show you how to insert the current date or time in Excel using quick and easy keyboard shortcuts. This is a handy trick, especially when you want to add timestamps to your spreadsheet without typing them manually. Let's get started. So click on any cell. So I would like to click on the A1 and put it in here. So we'll begin by inserting today's date. So to do that, on your keyboard, just press the Control and the semicolon key. So voila, you already have the current date today. So next one would be the current time. So that would be Control plus Shift plus the semicolon. And if you would like to insert them in the same cell, so same thing, press Control plus the semicolon. So you'll have the day to day, and then just hit on space, and then Control plus Shift plus semicolon. You'll have both day to day and the time. So that's all. Follow for more. Thank you.